In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free business website with HubSpot. HubSpot makes it simple to spin up a professional site without code, and everything happens inside your main dashboard. Once you're signed in, start by opening the main navigation and selecting content. This is where HubSpot keeps all things related to your site, like pages, blogs, and files. And it's the quickest way to reach your website tools. Next, choose Website Pages. This area is specifically for the pages that make up your business website, like your homepage, about, services, or contact. It's different from landing pages, which are usually single-purpose marketing pages. If this is your first time here, you'll see a clean workspace ready for your first page. Click. Get started. HubSpot will walk you into the page creation flow. If you already have other assets, this button simply opens the builder so you can add your new page alongside them. Now, select the template you want. Templates come from themes and control the basic layout, fonts, and styling. Pick one that matches your brand's look and the type of page you're creating. Look for a clean header, clear sections for your value proposition, and a footer with key links. A modern, responsive template will save you time later because it's already optimized for mobile. When you found the right fit, click Use. You may be prompted to give your page a name. Choose something clear like Home so you can find it easily later. HubSpot will generate the page and open the visual editor. Then edit it. Replace placeholder text with your headline, a short description of what you offer, and a strong call to action. Swap images with your own brand visuals and update buttons and links. Use the left side inspector to adjust modules and theme settings to update colors and typography so everything feels on brand. Keep sections concise, use headings to break up content, and don't forget alt text for accessibility. Use the preview to check desktop and mobile and make quick tweaks so your layout looks great at any size. Save frequently as you go. When everything looks good, click Publish. HubSpot will confirm your details and push the page live, typically to your default HubSpot provided domain on the free plan. You can return and edit anytime. Just republish to update what visitors see. That's all it takes. Go to Content, open Website Pages, get started, choose a template, click Use, customize the content, and publish. Follow the same flow to add more pages and build out your full site.